In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo ClickUp. If you've ever deleted a task or typed something you didn't mean to, don't worry, ClickUp supports quick undo actions so you can get right back on track. I'll walk you through a simple example and share a few tips to make this feel effortless. First, open ClickUp and navigate to the project or list where you want to work. Make sure you're in the view that shows the task you'll use for testing. It's a good idea to try this with a sample task so you can build confidence without affecting anything important. Once your project is open and you can see your tasks, you're ready to practice. For our example, click a task to select it, then delete it. You can do this with the delete key or through the task options, depending on your setup. The point here is just to simulate a real mistake, something like removing a task you actually needed. As soon as it's gone, don't click away or switch pages. Staying in the same view makes undoing much more reliable. Now undo the deletion. On Windows and most keyboards, press Ctrl+Z. On a Mac, press Command+Z. You should see the task reappear in the same place it was before. If ClickUp shows a small notification confirming the action, that's a good sign the undo was registered. If nothing happens, try pressing the shortcut again once or twice and make sure the page didn't reload or lose focus. Undo isn't just for tasks, it also works while you're typing. Click into a task's title, description, comment, or a field where you're entering text, then type something and press Ctrl or Command+Z to step back through your changes. This is especially helpful for long descriptions or comments when you want to revert a sentence without clearing everything. If you go too far, use redo with Ctrl+Shift+Z on Windows or Command+Shift+Z on Mac to move forward again. A few tips to keep things smooth. Undo generally affects the most recent change in the current area, so make sure your cursor is in the field you want to reverse or that the same task is selected. Shortcuts work the same in the desktop app and the browser. Some actions may not be reversible after navigating away or if your workspace has restrictions. And remember, ClickUp also maintains a trash area for recovering deleted items when the shortcut isn't available. That's it. Quick, safe, and incredibly useful. Try it out on a sample task and in a text field so your muscle memory is ready when you need it.